Hey everyone, want to use Google Fonts offline? In this video, I'll show you how to download and use Google Fonts without an internet connection step by step. First, open the Google Fonts website and choose the font family you want to use. Next, click the download option to save the font files to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and open the folder containing the font files. Now install the fonts on your computer. This allows you to use them in offline applications like Microsoft Word, Photoshop, Illustrator, and other design software. After installing the fonts, open your offline application and look for the new font in the font list. If you are using fonts for a website project, store the font files locally and connect them using CSS with a local font setup. Next, test the font appearance and make sure all styles, such as regular, bold, and italic, are working correctly. Finally, organize your downloaded font files so you can easily find and use them for future projects. And that's how to use Google Fonts offline. By downloading fonts locally, you can continue designing even without an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.